Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make real pesto using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of pine nuts. Don't forget 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. A little salt and pepper will finish it off perfectly. This combination creates a vibrant, flavorful pesto that's incredibly versatile. Now, let's get blending. Start by adding your fresh basil, garlic cloves, and toasted pine nuts into a food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times until they are finely chopped but not yet a paste. Next, incorporate the grated Parmesan cheese. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This gradual addition helps emulsify the pesto, giving it that perfect creamy texture. Once your pesto has a smooth consistency, it's time to taste and adjust. Take a small spoonful and check the flavor. Often, a little extra salt can really make the basil pop. A dash of freshly ground black pepper is also a great addition. If your pesto seems too thick, simply add another tablespoon of olive oil until it reaches your desired texture. For a brighter, fresher note, a few drops of lemon juice can work wonders. Proper storage ensures your delicious pesto stays fresh. Transfer it to an airtight container, and it will last in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. To prevent oxidation and keep its vibrant green color, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the surface before sealing. For longer storage, freeze pesto in ice cube trays. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to a freezer bag for up to 3 months. Enjoy your homemade pesto with pasta, on sandwiches, or as a flavorful spread.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.